how to send a PowerPoint presentation from PC to WhatsApp. So if you want to send a PowerPoint presentation from PC to WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your PowerPoint presentation or your PowerPoint application. Now, for example, I want to send this one, then you just need to simply go with share, and here you won't have that option, right? So you just need to simply open that document. After opening, now here on the left side, you will have file option. Go with share, go with PowerPoint presentation, or I'll just simply go with my PowerPoint presentation. If you have selected others presentation, then you won't have the share option. So make sure that you have edited that or you have access to that presentation. After that, go with file, which is on the upper left, and then go with share and click on upload and then go with OK, and make sure to upload your document on your drive to share it. Now here you will have the copy option. So click on copy. Once you've copied the link, you can again click on the copy and make sure that anyone with the link can edit is turned on. And after that, go with apply. And after copying this, you can open up your WhatsApp. Here you will have the application. So go with your WhatsApp and then select chat in which you would like to send that. And here you need to paste the link and send, and that's it. Now, if the other person taps on that link, then they will be redirected to this presentation. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.